Unraveling the Tale of Woe, English phrases explained. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving into the evocative English phrase, tale of woe. If you're ready to expand your vocabulary and master the art of expression in English, then you're in the right place. A tale of woe is a phrase that describes a story or account of misfortune and sadness. It's used when someone wants to share their experiences of hardship or distress. Imagine it as a narrative woven with threads of sorrow and challenges. The phrase, tale of woe, dates back to literature and storytelling traditions where authors shared tragic stories that evoked sympathy from the reader. It's a phrase that paints a picture of gloom and despair through words. Using tale of woe correctly can help you convey empathy or indicate that you're about to share something quite sad. For example, she told me her tale of woe, and my heart went out to her. Every family has its own tale of woe to narrate. While it's a beautiful expression, it's important not to overuse it. Avoid this phrase when talking about minor inconveniences or in a casual context where the gravity of woe isn't warranted. Explore similar phrases to add variety to your language. Phrases like sob story, hard luck story, and tragic tale echo similar meanings but can carry slightly different connotations. We hope this exploration of the phrase, tale of woe, enriches your English language journey. May your tales be more of joy than of woe, but when sorrowful stories do arise, you'll know just how to share them. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.